think this customer perlukan psychologist. So
Mm-mm.
we will refer to psychologist in-house. But I think this perlukan psychiatry, then we refer to the outsourced psychiatrist lah.
I see.
Or maybe this customer perlukan laughing. So okay,
Mm-mm.
we will schedule you for a laughing session, therapy, and also breathing technique or breathing. Or maybe dia perlukan support group as a peer group lah.
Peer-to-peer more like.
More. Sebab kita rasa macam kadang-kadang masalah customer ni lebih kurang sama.
Betul.
So bila for example I dengan you, for example, if we talk about like, I ada problem nak shopping lah, tapi husband I tak kasih I shopping. I pun sama lah. So
relatability ada kat situ.
Macam kita nak handle masalah ni. So kita boleh shopping. Macam tu. For example.
Faham. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's good. You actually create like a community for people to macam cakap lah juga kan.
Yeah.
It's very like comforting to know ada orang yang experience the same thing as you.
Mental health.
Kan? Yeah. Faham. Okay.